Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Decimal Fractions chapter, Exercise 7A. 7A. 11 number question, divide. Number 1, bracket 1, bracket 2, 3 and up to 8. There are 8 problems here we have to solve. Maybe we will solve 4 of these. Let us have a look at these problems. You see here, this is a decimal fraction, this is integer. Decimal fraction, integer, decimal fraction, integer. Because these numbers are looking larger, so we will do vertically the division. Instead of vertically, if we do straight way like before or horizontally, we may make mistake in calculation. To avoid mistake in calculation, we will do the division vertically. Let us start with number 1. We may do number 2, then we do 7 and 8. Okay, let us start with number 1. Bracket 1. The dividend is 8.5 and the divisor is 5. 8.5. So first we take one digit. Can we divide? It divides, yes. 5 into 1 is 8. So 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 1 is 5. So now deduct. If we deduct 5 from 8, it is 3. Now the next number. Before we bring down the next digit, if we see there is a decimal point, we have to put the decimal point here in the quotient. So bring down the next digit, 5. Now 5 into 7 is 35. So deduct 35 from 35 is 0. So the answer is 1.7. The next, bracket 2, 9.8 divided by 7. First digit, it divides. Yes, 7 into 1 is 7. Deduct 7 from 9, it's 2. So bring down next digit, 8. Before bringing down, see here is a decimal point. So put the decimal point in the quotient. Bring down 8. 4 into 7 is 28. Deduct 28 from 28, it is 0. The answer is 1.4. Number 7. Let us do number 7 here. 40.065. 40.065. Divide this number by 5. Take one digit. Does it divide? No, it doesn't, because it is smaller than 4. Take another digit, 40. 5 into 8. Put 8 here. So 5 into 8 is 40. Deduct 40. There is nothing. So bring down the next digit. When you bring down the next digit, if there is a decimal point before it, put the decimal point in the quotient. So bring down the next digit. It's 0. Does it divide? No. If you bring down a digit and it doesn't divide, then bring another digit. But before you bring the next another digit, you must put a 0 here. So what we learn here, whenever we bring down a digit and it doesn't divide, and we bring down another digit, before bringing down another digit, we put a 0 in the quotient. So bring down the next digit, 6. So 5 into 1 is 5. Deduct 5 is 1. Bring down next digit, it is 15. 5 into 3 is 15. Deduct 15 from 15, it is 0. So the answer is 8.013. The last one, number 8. Divide 52.184. 52.184 divided by 4. Take one digit. Does it divide? Yes. 4 into 1 is 4. Deduct 4 from 5 is 1. Bring down next digit, 12. 4 into 3 is 12. Deduct 12 from 12, there is nothing. Bring down next digit, 1. Before you bring down, see there is a decimal point. Put the decimal point in the quotient and then bring down the next digit. This is 1. Does it divide? No, because it is smaller than 4. So before you bring down the next digit, put a 0 here. We must be careful when we write the digit. We shouldn't cover the next digit's place. So when we bring down the next digit, we put a 0 here because 1 was smaller. So now bring down the 8. 4 into 4 is 16. Deduct from 18, it is 2. Bring down the next digit, 4. 4 into 6 is 24. Deduct 24, it is 0. The answer should be 13.046. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.